This is a laparoscopic instrument with the gyro stabilization. You can see we are just seeing the work on endo trainer. So this is a basic endo trainer, and you can see how the movements are, and the front jaw has a 360 degree. With this, we can move this in different directions, and this is a gyroscopic stabilization is present in this. So with that, the front jaws moves accordingly. You can see how the front jaw is moving in this our basic endotrainer. So the front jaw is moving, and we can see how we are putting the things from here and there. So you can see how precise it is. Now we will just show the whole movement of this. You can see the whole movement. How the whole movement is according to the hand movement, the front end is moving. So front end is moving with respect to the movements that we are doing with our hands. You can see we don't have to move this much, just by moving our hands the front jaw is moving. You can see there are different movements. There is movement.